have the remaining questions of set math was in the first chapter. So we are going with the remaining one. So here in this video, we are going with the page number, another page number. So the else, okay, we are starting from the example number 12. What is the smallest number that is divisible by both 34 and 35? Okay, so we have to find the smallest number means LCM, least common factor, which can divide both 35 and 34. So let's do here LCM of 34 and 35. Okay, so easy way to do this LCM. So we're gonna multiply this both 34 multiply by 35. You will get basically the answer will be 100, 1190, 1190. So this is how the basic simple common method you can find the least common factor of any integers. Fine. So here by dividing the GCF, and here the GCF is not given, this means by divide the GCF, and here GCF means greatest common factor is not given, so this means here it is 1, and whatever you will divide by 1 the answer will be same. Okay, now moving towards another. In the another we have given all multiples of, अभी now here they have said कि even numbers हैं जो multiple किसके हैं, even numbers multiple of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. Okay, here you can see. And remaining what, the odd numbers are all integers not divisible by 2. अभी odd numbers सारे integers हैं जो कि divisible 2 से divisible नहीं हैं. Let me tell you this, like -5, 1, 3, 5, 9, 7. These are basically not divisible by 2. So these are odd numbers. Fine. After that, here note, in the note that some terms are given. The terms odd and even apply only to integers. अभी जो term odd या even हम कैसे पहचानते हैं कि ये odd है और ये even है, तो हम integers को देख कर पहचानते हैं. तो सिर्फ odd और even जो term है वो सिर्फ हमारे पास किस पे लगेंगी, integers पे लगेंगी. ठीक है. But after that, here we have another point. Every integer, positive, negative or zero, is either odd or even. कोई भी इंटीजर हो, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव हो, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो, या वो जीरो हो, वो सारे क्या हैं, वो सारे हमारे पास इंटीजर हैं. That can be positive, that can be negative, that can be zero. Those all are, we can say, those all are what? Integers. Okay. The third point, zero is even integer. It is multiple of 2. Okay, अब जीरो क्या है हमारे पास, even integer है, क्योंकि जीरो को जब हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर विल बी 0. तो जीरो हमारे पास क्या है, एक इवन इंटीजर है. जीरो इज मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी इंटीजर. जीरो को किसी भी इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, जीरो हर किसी इंटीजर का क्या है, मल्टीपल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि इवन 2 था, वो ऑड नंबर का मल्टीपल नहीं है, तो जीरो एक ऐसा नंबर है जो कि सारे इंटीजर्स का क्या है, मल्टीपल है. Where you can put the n, so you will get the answer. That will be 0, of course. Okay, now 2 is only the even prime number. अभी हमें पता है कि what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 we can say table and by its own table. तो 2 एक ऐसा even है, और this 2 is also the prime number. एक ऐसा even prime number है, that is 2. prime number क्यों, because 2 एक 1 से डिवाइड होता है और एक अपने टेबल से. बाकी 2 will not come in any single table. So 2 is even number and prime number. Okay, I hope that it is clear to you guys. Moving towards, we can say key fact number A14. Here you can see the table below summarize the important facts. If two integers are both even or both odd, the sum and difference are even. देखो अभी दो integers हैं, या तो वो दोनों even हो 2 2, या तो वो दोनों odd हो 3 3. तो जब इनको माइनस करेंगे ना तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, एक इवन नंबर आएगा. जैसे कि हमने बात की थी जीरो क्या है, इवन नंबर है, तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, इवन नंबर आ गया. तो यही बता रहा है कि दो अगर हमारे पास इवन हो या दो ऑड हो तो आंसर द डिफरेंस विल बी इवन, मतलब माइनस करने के बाद वो इवन ही आएगा. द सेकंड वन दे आर सेइंग इफ वन इंटीजर इज इवन एंड अदर इज ऑड द सम एंड डिफरेंस आर ऑड. अब एक इंटीजर हमारे पास क्या हो, अगर हमारे पास क्या हो इवन हो और दूसरा हमारे पास क्या हो ऑड हो, तो जब उसका सम करें या उसका डिफरेंस करें हमारे पास क्या आएगा, ऑड आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास 2 है और 3 है. ये हमारे पास क्या है, ये 2 है हमारे पास इवन है और 3 हमारे पास क्या है, ऑड है. अब इन्होंने बताया कि अगर आप इनका सम करोगे तो ऑड आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 प्लस 2 करोगे तो इट विल बी 5. और इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू द डिफरेंस ऑफ these both like 2 minus 3, so that will be also what, odd one. So this is the point which is given in the 2. Now moving towards the third, the product of two integers is even unless both of them are odd. अभी जब आप दो इंटीजर्स का क्या करोगे, प्रोडक्ट करोगे, so the answer will always be odd. okay, दो नंबर्स का आप भले उसको क्या करो, टू इंटीजर्स अगर पास इवन है तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा, ऑड आएगा. अगर प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई 2 इंटू 2 क्या आया, 4 आया. ठीक है, अगर दोनों क्या है, ऑड है, 3 इंटू 3 9. So these are basically even and odd. I hope this is clear to you guys. Now we are going with page number, second page number. So let me show you here. Now here we have second page in which we are going with the exponent and yeah, we are going with the exponents and roots. Okay, so I think everyone is familiar with exponent and root. Like here they are saying, here it is given that repeated addition of same number is indicated by multiplication. अगर कोई भी नंबर क्या होता है, रिपीट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 17 इज रिपीटेड, अगर मैंने 17 को कितनी दफा रिपीट किया है, 4 दफा रिपीट किया है, तो वो इंडिकेट करता है कि मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, हाउ, क्योंकि हमने 4 दफा किया है, 4 इंटू 17 कर दो. So this indicate कि multiply आप directly कर लो. ठीक है, another thing, repeated multiplication of same number is indicated by exponent. और अगर अब मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर कर रिपीट कर रहे हो तो उसका क्या आएगा हमारे पास, वो इंडिकेट करता है एक्सपोनेंट को. लेट्स सी हाउ. सो हियर यू कैन सी if 17 into 17 into 17 into 17, I have written the 17 4 times, so you can directly 17 and exponent 4. So this is very simple way which you can understand easily. Okay, let me write here again, 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17, so that will be 17 multiplied by 4. Another we have 17 into 17 into 17 into 17, so that would be exponent 17 power 4. I hope this is clear to you guys. Now we are going with key fact number A15. So for any number b, or okay, for any number b the integer x is greater than 1, b and okay, they are saying that use these terms. 2, if we have 2 power 5 or 2 power 3, so you can directly add the powers and you can easily do this. Okay, okay, 2 power 5 into 2 power 3. Now just memorize this. If the base is same, अगर ये base दोनों की क्या होगी, same होगी, so powers will be added. Powers will be added. How? If we have base is same, so you're gonna write the base one time and power will be added. 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 power 8. Fine. Another we have it, they are given that if okay, if we have what, bases are same but they are in divide form. How? Have a look. If bases are same but these are in the divide form, so how you gonna do this? अगर bases same or divide form में हो तो write one time base and then 5, this will be minus 3. Bases same, those are in divide form, so we can say subtracted, so that be 2 power 2. Okay, now here moving towards another, if the base is in multiplication, so you're gonna easily multiply. Here look, Here you can see 2 and 2 power 3. Okay, how 2 and 2 into 3, so that will be 2 power 6. This is how you can solve easily. Now we are going with the key fact number A16. Okay, this is the same. You can use the formula. Base is same, power 8. Base is same, but in the divide form, power will be subtracted. Base is same, the multiplication sum, power will be multiplied. Okay, these are some factors. Fine. Now we are going with example number 13. If 2 power x is 32, what is x squared? Okay, so this is the question. Let's solve here. If 2 power uh, if 2 power x is 32, then what is the value of x squared? 2 power x is equal to 32. Then x square is equal to, now you have to do this. Okay, अभी हमारे पास 2 power x क्या है 32 के बराबर है. Means if you're gonna multiply 2 by the 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so that will be equal to 32. ओके, अगर आप 5 को 2 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते यू विल गेट 32. सो देन एक्स इज हमारे पास क्या है, द एक्स विल बी 2 or 5, sorry, x is 5, but they are asking about x square, so just do the square of 5, so that will be 25. I hope this is clear to you. Now we are going with another. Okay, this is page is ended. Now let's move towards another page. So I hope till this it is clear to you guys. Here we are moving towards third page. So here we have example number 14, and they are saying if 3 power a and 3 power b is equal to 3 power 100, then what is the average arithmetic of a and b? Okay, अभी now they have asked कि arithmetic b average कितना होगा. So एक तो है, they are said that 3 power a plus 3 power b is equal to 100. Now they have been asked about the average. Okay, so average is basically what? Now average is basically sum of all number divided by total numbers. Sum divided by total numbers. So now here we're gonna base it as same. We're gonna sum a plus b is equal to 100. So we're gonna find the average. So that will be a plus b divided by total digits are 1 and 2. So 2. And that will be equal to 100 divided by 2, and that will equal to 50. So answer is 50. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, now we are moving towards key fact number A17. If any positive number, then 0 n is equal to 0. Okay, कोई positive number है, so that will be positive. Fine. Now moving towards example number 15. Okay. Which of the following statement is are true? अभी now we have to find कौन सी statement इनमें से true है और कौन सी statement इनमें से wrong है. So as you can see, 2 power 10 is greater than 0. So yeah, if you're gonna do the power, so that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that will be 32, and again 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that will be 32. मतलब 10 times we have what, 32 into 32 with a 4. Okay, 1024. Okay, 1024. Okay, 1024. So this means 1024 is greater than 0. But this is the minus sign, this is it is greater. Now here we have minus, then minus 2 power 10 is greater than 0. So that will be what? Plus 1024 greater than 0. No, this is statement is wrong, क्योंकि अभी प्लस है वो it will be not greater than 0, और ये जैसे माइनस है it will be not greater than, it will be less than 0. Now moving towards the third, 2 power 10 minus 2 power 10 is greater than 0. Let's see, 2 power 10 minus minus plus 2 power 10 less than 0. Oh, sorry. So this will be less than, not greater than. So our correct option will be what? Correct option will be A, none. Because all three statements are not greater than 0 because these are in the negative sign. Okay. Now we are going with what? Square and square roots. I hope everyone is familiar with this square and square roots. Have a look. So the exponent that appear most in the set is 2 if you have square, pi square, okay. Yeah, if you wanna do the square x and x square, okay. X we have 0, so square will be 0. X we have 1, so square will be 1. If x we have 2, then 2 square, 2 ka square will be 4. X is equal to 3, then square 9. So these are all simple basic squares. Now we are going with another page. So have a look. Okay, moving towards key fact number A18. For any positive number, okay, we have to just put the root over there. Fine. Example number 16. What is the circumference of circle whose area is 10x? Now we have to find out the circumference of the circle जिसका area हमारे पास क्या है, that is 10. Okay. So first of all, for the area formula is A is equal to pi r square, and the formula for circumference is c is equal to 2 pi r. But here area is given, so that means A is equal to 10 r square. Okay, so c is equal to 2 pi and r square is given, that is 10, and c is equal to 2 pi 10 is the answer. C option is correct. I hope this is clear to everyone. Fine, now we are going with the key fact last, that is A19. A19. For any positive number, okay, A, B is equal to radical A and to radical B separate, okay? And for that, we can say into 4 radical A radical by, so it will be radical A divided by radical B. This is the simple, okay? So till that, I hope everyone, it is clear to everyone. So bye bye.